I'm Bill Hammond, and I'm president of the Texas Association of Business. The fact of the matter is the Texas Senate does have time to act on this very important matter, but time is of the essence at the same time. We need for them to take action and pass this legislation. It would be a tragedy for another 2 years to go by without addressing the important issue of bringing doctors to rural and underserved city areas. Clearly, the Texas public believes, and it's true, that we have medically underserved areas in the state of Texas, primarily in rural and some inner city areas where there simply are not enough doctors to meet the demand. The legislation we're talking about today is a very easy way, closes a loophole, and allows us to bring doctors to rural and inner city urban areas by paying off their student loans, which is a big burden. And we know that this will be a large enough incentive to bring doctors to those areas and see that the people in those areas are properly served. Virtually every excise tax in Texas and in the country, for a matter of fact, is based on a unit or a weight measurement. Smokeless tobacco is the only product in Texas today that is not taxed on that basis. And we're asking that the legislature change the current taxation from a price-based tax to a weight-based tax. This will bring an equalization to the process of taxation and will get the government out of the business of choosing winners and losers between these various products. I think upwards of 70% people said, let's close the loophole, let's do some good public policy here, and let's help the people in the rural and inner city areas who are not getting the level of medical care they deserve. This legislation is so important that three unique groups have come together, that being the Texas Association of Community Health Centers, the Texas Academy of Family Physicians, and the Texas Association of Business. All three of us proudly support this legislation and urge the Senate to act now. If you share our concern about this legislation, please call your Texas Senator today and ask them to support and vote for House Bill 2154.